Bienvenue sur ma chaîne pour un autre vidéo. For those of you who are new here, bienvenue fashionista, welcome to the team. Here we speak about all things fashion, lifestyle, travel with a focus on black fashion designers. And to those of you who are coming back, welcome back girl, welcome back my brother. We here have a vibe. We like to kiki, we like to show fun things of what to see in the beauty and fashion world. I haven't really been doing a lot of fashion and beauty videos recently, but I'm now getting back into the gig, and today we're doing a monthly vlog where we're going to be invited to the J Beauty by Anne Honey beauty event, and you guys are going to see that. We also went to the Melek Art fashion show, as well as we went to Makeup for Less Academy, where it was a open house and they did some exhibitions, and you guys will see all of the fun things that I did during the month. Get your croissant, get your tea, and let's just go and have a wonderful time and seeing all of these beautiful events. À tout à l'heure, au revoir. Remember, give your girl a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Share the love, share the vibe, share all of the wonderful things that we do here.
Hey guys, so we're here at the Makeup Academy, and we're getting ready for our session this afternoon. These are all of their how amazing. Absolutely gorgeous.
parce que le miel, ça va vraiment être l'ingrédient star de tous nos produits, aussi bien le shampoing que l'après-shampoing. Et le petit N, le petit E, symbolise le connecteur entre vous et le miel, l'hydratation et la beauté, la douceur. 30% de miel d'acacia et 20% de miel brut du Japon. N'hésitez pas à ouvrir si vous voulez sentir ou tester directement. Et pour la gamme rose qui s'appelle Meti, on va utiliser cette fois-ci 60% de miel de Manuka contre 50% pour Deep Moist, avec 20% de miel brut du Japon et cette fois-ci 20% de miel de rose. Donc vous allez avoir une odeur un petit peu plus florale pour Meti. Ça sent bon? Ouais, merci beaucoup, c'est gentil. Comme vous pouvez le voir avec ces deux gammes, on a voulu vraiment créer une routine beauté avec le shampoing. Bonjour. Avec le shampoing, l'après-shampoing et l'huile également. On va avoir, comme je vous ai dit, l'ingrédient star qui va être le miel, mais vous allez avoir... maybe from in the right here. Nice, thank you so much. Ok, perfect. Voilà.
Ouais, les cheveux afro en général, c'est beaucoup ça, beaucoup d'hydratation.
Voilà. Alors là, on voit tout de suite, je vais faire un petit tour après, on voit tout de suite le cheveu a coulé directement. Donc là, on est vraiment sur une haute porosité. As you can see, your hair is already in the bottom of the glass, which means that your hair has a high porosity.
Yes.
High level of porosity. So in your case, maybe deep moist is
getting ready. I'm doing a little self-care, a little eye patch that I picked up in the pharmacy, having a little yogurt, just finished my lunch, and we are going to the Defile art show fashion event this afternoon. And of course, I'm going to take you guys along with me. The weather is a little cool, no wind, but a little coolness in the air. And so I am going to show you guys the outfit I decided to wear. It's a nice Saturday afternoon, so I'm going to make sure I'm warm and still very cute. So that's the plan for today. This evening there is a karaoke event that's happening. Depending on how I feel after the fashion event, I may just pop in there just for a little while, just to have something to do, and that's it. So I'll see you guys soon. Tout à l'heure. Au revoir. Hey guys, so this is the full look. Just another thrifted scarf, satin scarf. These nice denim shorts, simple white tee, my Fraser New York barrel bag. As usual, my bust down vintage jewelry that I thrifted, and my Vermo optical sunglasses. So this is the look for today, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Bye.
Hey guys, so how did you like that event? Small, sweet, really intimate, just amazing. I love the art, I love all of the painting, you know, I love all of the graphic art, all of the design elements. You could see all of the details of the pieces. You know, if I knew better, I would have worn my dress from Miranda, Askie, which is hand painted as well. I just think it's just absolutely just fantastic. I had a wonderful time. I hope you guys did too. See you soon. Bye.